I formed you in the womb, I knew you. Before you were born, I sanctified you. I ordained you a prophet to the nations. Jeremiah 1:5. It's your girl, Dressa, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your own fabric. This is my first time trying it, but it came out good. First off, you are going to need a heat press. You're going to need parchment paper. You're going to need this from Walmart. It's poly cotton fabric. It's 65% polyester and 35% cotton, so it can be sublimated on yards because that's all I need for this project. I'm going to need a sublimation printer. This one I converted to sublimation. Need sublimation paper. I will link everything in the description below. Scissors, and you also need heat tape. By printing my design that I made on my iPad in Procreate. You know how I did that, just let me know and I'll do that. You also want to make sure your image is mirrored, because if it's not, it's going to be trouble for you. It's going to come out backwards. So for this design particularly, I used 4. I had to print out my design 4 times. But just a tip that when you print your image, the printer will leave black around the rim of your image, and you want to cut that off. If you don't, it will show when you press it, so I'm just going to use these scissors to cut around the perimeter. I'm just prepping my cloth so I can lay my print on top of it, my prints on top. And I'm only using half for my design because I'm making my niece's birthday outfit, and I only need half of the 2 yards, so I only need 1 yard. Here I am taping the images together and placing it on the cloth. Future reference, use a lot of tape when you tape it down, like don't let anything show. Here I noticed the fabric is kind of very see-through, so if you want to, you can just fold the cloth over and sew it so it will be less see-through, but I'm not doing that. I'm not using the whole yard, I'm using half of this yard. It's only like a 5T, so I don't need the whole yard. So want to make sure that you tape it down all the way around, like show no spaces, because I did have a little mishap when I was pressing. Some of the images blurred because it moved, because I didn't have it taped down good enough. For my first try, I think this came out very good, and I had my press on 400 degrees, and I only pressed each section for 30 seconds. My cute little niece. I love the way this turned out, so I'm definitely going to do more projects like this. And subscribe to see more, and you won't be disappointed. Let me know what I should do a tutorial on next. Bye, guys.